I'm going to show you really simple. Want to do it the middle one. This is the really cute and simple one. Okay, so how you able to get your flowers? So this color is cheeky, the 40 gel, and don't have to worry about perfect. So I do, even long time ago, I remember when it's like basic painting, when you don't have all different tools, I usually do 1 petal, 2 petal, 3 petal, and 4 petals right here, and the 5th one right there. That's it. And then you can start sculpting. You start molding it now if you want to, but I'm gonna try to get one here. And the color next I am using is blushing. And for all of you just tuning in, I just wrote the beads out of the jars of 40 gel jars. I usually do 3 of them, and then I close the lids on because I don't want to accident to have, you know, my the LED lights will key it, you know.
Yes, and for everybody who's just tuning in, so any seed product you see Nancy use, you can get it from our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
All right, so I have a question also to ask, like why the 40 gel is not staying on. Sometimes if you pick it up and it have the oil on, it might be not stick. So make sure that your hand is like free of the oil. And also before I apply the no wipe top coat, and even matte top coat, you can do that too if you want your finish to be a matte top coat. And apply the no wipe top coat and cure for 45 seconds or 30 seconds is good. You don't want to be like 60 seconds to really cure, because you want it to completely cure, but it's not completely cure. So then it has still a little bit of a little bit tacky. You're gonna phone cure it like after you're done, but when you want to apply your 40 gel, you want to get a little bit of, you know, as the residue, so then it can bond so well. All right, press down. You see that how simple it is? You don't have to do like really aggressive. I just put the beads in there just so then you can see like the visuals of it, but you can do it later if you want to. But I place them all in there and I sculpting at the same time. Press it down in the center and spread it to the left, spread it to the right, and using the tip and start like perfect your petals. So do the same thing with the rest of them. You don't have to make them perfect yet because they're not drying, so you don't have to be worried about it. So press it down and press it down and press it down. Simple as it is. Press. This can make it really cute on the nails art designs, and it won't take much of a time off from your time to sculpting it when you get the hang of it. And then plus no messy, no odor, no freaking out when it's setting at all. It will not dry. Anyway, I'm just so obsessed with this, and it just totally changed of my fun nail art techniques. And then when you are in the class, we are hosting the class upcoming in July in a nail tech event. You can check out at the nail tech event, I think at nailtechevent.com. You can able to find information for the shows as well. And or if you are on the our class side, you can able to click on the link that will link it there to check it out. So we have the hands-on class on Saturday before the shows to have hands-on with the products, and in 2 different classes. One class is for gel extension application from A to Z, and then the others is class will be for the nail art, crystal designs, and everything. Definitely take your techniques, your skill, your business to the next level. All right, press down, press down. Right there. So now if you don't want any crystal, you can use other colors and to make a centerpieces of your flowers. But you want to add some crystal, absolutely. Now you can pay attention. You can like control your shape of the petals. Like I did round, and now I just want it's a little bit round and pointed. You do however you and your clients like. I'm gonna do it that, and just make it a little bit cute. Okay. I love that how I can able to like oversee completely all entire flowers petal, and then you make them like looks close as possible to shape together. But if you don't want, you can do one bigger than the others, which is great, you know. I think, do you think the real flowers that have petals one bigger? I think so.
Yes.
They're never being the perfect, you know.
They're never perfect symmetrical. Something always a little bit different.
But hey, if you are like OCD like me, and you want everything is perfect the way you want it, do it, because that's why the 40 gel does that for you, so then you can perfect it however you want. All right. So, want to add some leaves on it? Absolutely. I'm gonna add maybe a couple here.
You can put like one up top and one at the bottom. Right where your negative
I have it right
space is.
here. I'm doing a smaller, maybe two on the top. Like two on this top right there. You can do however you want. It doesn't have to be. Okay, let me do two on the top and one on the bottom. Okay. One. Press down. Okay. And then you can do this leaf smaller or the same size as a petal. It's up to you. Really, you can do so much with this. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cure if you're happy with this flash cure for just 10 seconds, and I'm gonna add the crystals trifecta. Okay, flash cure 10 seconds. Yes, I'm so excited. It's so cool and it's so easy. All right, so ours is crystal trifecta is come with the condensed glue gel, no wipe top, precision glue gel. This is, I promise, it's gonna be your bestie in your desk, and it will back you up every single time you're doing a crystal designs. It's not only, well, that's cool. So not only is holding all your crystals, make it easy for you to applications, and it's not set, not dry until you're happy with your designs before you are going to cure it. Maybe we can use my my mix bags from Subbox. Usually I'm going to use a twin tip brush. My twin tip brush lasts me forever. It's like almost 5 years. I'm not using the dot 2 because I just need to get a little bit thick density. So it's work with all of the flat backs, like flat back bigger crystal, flat back any charm chains, metal, you name it. I'm gonna place it to smaller beads because we want just right there. Okay, and then probably right here. You can add wherever you want, or you can just adding the other colors of the 40 gels on the center of the flowers. Do however you like. All right, adding on. Okay, can you wipe this one for me? And make sure you are floating the no wipe top coat right on the top. So on the top, I don't cure anything, the condensed glue gel is still wet, so we are going to floating, you know, wet top coat. The floating techniques, what it does is going to completely layer, and it covers your condensed glue gel, so when it finished, it's completely done. It's penetrate and it adhere through the top coat, so that it's help to adhere your condensed glue gel as well. And also when you are done and finished, it's going to be completely shiny and dry. And also the third purpose of it, it will double secure, so you have 2 layers to holding your crystal instead of just condensed glue gel and then with the tacky, you know, layer. So let's see what we have. Oh, look at what we got right here. Should I do this one?
Yeah, that's look pretty.
This one, cute, simple, nice and simple. I found it in my mix bag. I've been using a lot of this for all different designs that you've been seeing me doing. Check out the video if you're interested in. Let me see if I have maybe yellow right there. Oh, maybe yellow. No. Hey, this one looks super cute. Another one. Super cute. Right in there. All right. This one, I'm gonna do maybe yellow. And then you can put however you like. I'm just getting some cute colors from the bags. That's it. Want some beads? Where's... Just add a couple beads on it. If you want to. I'm just adding a couple of the beads on a randomly. Looks super cute. That's it. Add more, or don't add anything, whatever you like. You will never go wrong with this. Cool. All right, you know what? I was thinking if this one is be good with the frame. I didn't see the frame. Sometimes I see the big frame here. But it's okay. We can do it. Looks plenty cute though. All right, and as I can still see the ombre look.
Right. For 60?
60 second here.